Watch. The world, it's not a plan. You hear me, man? Hey, yo. Franchise, choosing man. 10th star general. You know when I come to represent, you know a full effect. You know what go ahead, you know. When we load up, you know. Aim up, you know. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment. Sound the big thing there. You know a loud explosion, boy. But you know, man, you know the people's champion. Right? You know a Gaza favorite. Oh, you mean? You know the most electrified man for YouTube entertainment business. What? There's some boy I talk about. Eh? There's some boy I talk about. Some boy I talk about. Well, yeah. Them a save the boss political power. What I talk about? Vybz Kartel no need no upgrade from none of you. So I don't know what kind of save you're supposed to save him. Vybz Kartel no need no upgrade from nobody, you know. I want to tell you, Instagram, blue tick. YouTube, blue tick. Facebook, blue tick. Fever, gold, album, billboard. What kind of recognition the man need from you? What kind of save him need from you? Tell me, for be upgrade. Yo, you know, laugh with it, you know, the general, you know, no joke thing, you know. Right about now, you know. Me hear boy I chat this and I chat that, you know. Me not hear no boy come out, you know, and I tell the people, you know, where Buju Banton say, you know. Buju Banton say, you know, him left here, you know, and go and walk out 10 years, you know, and come back and Vybz Kartel still around the place, you know. Oh, now the chup artists. Where the work owner put out there? Where the man himself there? Where the self-proclaimed man himself there? Eh? Where the gully god there? Eh? Where the ID them there? One do a pose in a big vehicle and jewelry and them shit they not act like a wicked artist. The man say where the work owner put out there. Right now, government, the man I make couldn't know, you know. Say, you know, let go the man, you know. Because right now, you know, the man alone, you know, they in a dancehall they can turn this thing international crazy, you know. Like how you see a certain type of seed virus of the place crazy, you know. The man I make you know, you know, say the man can make that transition there for dancehall, you know. So, you know, they make sure, you know, fix up the man thing fast and quick and fast, you know. And anywhere, just for the notification people. Right now, you know, it was the breaking news on the television, you know. Say all government school lock, you know, until next month before them resume, you know, for action, you know. So right now, out the road, you know, out on the street, you know, all of the store them, you know, food store them, you know, crazy, you know. When I say crazy, you know. You can't get nothing off of the shelf. People all fight for stuff off of the shelf, you know. You know, we not deal with them lollipop thing there because that grounds up business. And you hear what go on with a certain type of capital C. You sure me I deal with that? We not take no check circumspect. Because you know as we have the big ninja tech. You know, no lollipop thing. You see what I say? So tell some boy say, you know, when them a try to mix up, you know, popcorn song, you know, and I say, yo, him say rice thing pan the causeway. I probably Vybz Kartel him matter. Yo, no stop act like you no stupid, you know. And I talk about how the man I use massacre lyrics, you know, about greatness, you know. Yo, no stop go like on a cloud. I talk about the man I use Daddy 1876. Yo, that's all you do and I twist up look a story and I try for you look a joke. Viewers them wanna have a view on the shit. That's all you have to offer to the people them. Ain't by go on and create some look of controversial shit. Like you know understand, like you know hear what Papi say and you know what the song meant and you know who it go for. I go like you know knowledge of that and I go like a clown. I'm telling you something, you know, represent just like on the image, you know. Fenemish, you know. I saw that on the image, you know, and I line me I tell pound, you know. I saw no operate, you know. Right now, you know, all you need, you know, is just a short skirt, you know, and some lipstick, you know. If you look like the great Bruce Jenner, you know. I don't know, joke thing, you know. But I never ever say that, but if you know, hyping thing, a real thing, me I tell you about. You know what I mean? And that's your body language, you see what I say? That's the way you come off. Fenemish, you know what I mean? Tough up, be a man, brethren. You know what I mean? The general, the 10-star one I represent. Right now, the writer them from over there underneath beer pressure since the song they release. All they did and I run up your mouth and I chat up your mouth. Me say the writer them feel underneath pressure right now. Because I make people for know so right now, you know, if write up something quicker. Don't surprise, you know, if by the week done your hear him run out, you know. Before this new week you're done, you know. Your hear him run out, you know. Because I tell you that. Is where I deal it, because the man bust him head. Is where I deal it. Stop watch the man. You have a looking glass. Eh? Stop watch the man things them. I want to you. You have watch man thing, but you have chop legs and a watch man thing. What kind of style that? Eh? Which man you see get up and a watch man like you have the man for your dinner class? I want to you. Stop watch the man. Make sure, you know, when you're not running, you know, make sure you're running proper, you know. Because this time, you know, the unruly boss now play with you, you know. And I see it, you know. Yeah, the man come like him have on some little baby, some little rubber, just like Buju Banton have on. Because that the man I tell you, know, personally, you know, do nowhere. All you know, do a pose and a run up on the mouth, a pose in a clean clothes and chain and vehicle and them shit there. You know, do no work. Like that's all you know, DJ for. Or on sing for. You know what I mean? And the thing for go further than that. Because other people are compete. You see what I deal now for all the grounds. You see me? And you know put out them type of work there. All you know want to do is talk about the next month. You see me, I deal and pray next month. You see me, and go like say, well then, in a competition with the man them. In a competition with the genre, the music them all over the world. What not talk about? Eh? A billboard settings, R&B, hip-hop billboard chart. You see me? A that Vibes Cartel advertisement. You sure me I deal with goal settings a couple weeks ago. You sure me I deal with that's what I talk about. You see me? I have crazy amount of hit singles on the local chart. You see what I do? I dominate the whole place. You see me? And I presume there. And that fascinates Buju Banton. Oh! How comes? The man want to know how. So anytime some people talk about Vibes Cartel and push out too much tune. No. That's the man's style to stay relevant. You see me and stay up on top and game. You see me? And if you see it, it can prove in easy. Just like Chronicler, you so much tune him push out, him no hesitate, him no wait. Them youth they ever hold them spot in a trending. Always in the top 5. Yeah man. Consistently, the general, the 10-star.